हैव आई गिवन यू दिस सेंटेंस? तुम ये बात हर बार बीच में क्यों ले आते हो?
No, sir, you
No,
haven't
sir.
given.
राइट इट डाउन.
Sir, please repeat.
तुम ये बात हर बार बीच में क्यों ले आते हो? तुम यह बात हर बार बीच में क्यों ले आती हो? Question mark. Today I will give you only 3 sentences so that Ritu can go for shopping. Sarika, who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence. This sentence is this sentence belongs to present simple tense, and it is a WH sentence. Firstly, I will
Correct.
take the WH word, and the WH word is why. Later on, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is do. Thereafter, I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Later on, I will take the uh, first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is come. Then I will take the object, and the object is this thing. Later on, I will take the preposition, and the preposition is between. अच्छा bring, हाँ लाना.
Sarika, I have a question. How did you recognize this sentence? Is this a simple present sense?
The I recognized because in Hindi sentence आते हो.
आते हो,
हाँ.
ते हो.
ता है, ती है, ते है. You did nice. It was helpful for Ritu. So, Aparna, speak this sentence, then Ritu will speak.
Why do you bring it up all the time? तुम ये बात हर बार बीच में क्यों ले आते हो? सारिका, रितु?
Sir, I have to answer.
No. Just speak this sentence.
Okay. Why do you bring it up all the time? तुम ये बात हर बार बीच में क्यों ले आते हो?
Why do you bring it up all the time? तुम ये बात हर बार बीच में क्यों ले आते हो?
दोस्तों चलो ऑब्जेक्ट बदल के देखते हैं, कुछ प्रैक्टिकल आसपास का सोच के रखना बिल्कुल. आई एम मेकिंग फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, लेटर ऑन अपर्णा विल मेक. व्हाई डू यू ब्रिंग माय मायका अप ऑल द टाइम? तुम हर बार मेरे मायके को बीच में क्यों ले आते हो? वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, नो? Why do you bring my mic up?
Why do you bring my माँ up all the time? हर बार मेरी माँ को बीच में क्यों ले आते हो?
Why do you bring my education up all the time? तुम हमेशा मेरी पढ़ाई को बीच में क्यों ले आते हो?
Why do you bring my past up all the time? Actually, Ritu was not speaking, that's why
अरे
why do you, Acha, you were mute.
yes, I was. Why do you bring your stress all the time? Why do you bring your stress up all the time? तुम अपना तनाव हर बार बीच में क्यों ले आते हो?
Why do you bring my brother up all the time? तुम हमेशा मेरे भाई को बीच में क्यों ले आते हो?
Okay, one more sentence. लोग ऐसी बातों का मजा लेते हैं. Who has to make this sentence?
See? It's your go, na? Aparna di.
Okay, my go. I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to present simple because in the Hindi sentence there is they hai. That's why I recognized the present simple. Firstly, I will take the subject. It is an affirmative sentence. And firstly, I will take the subject. And the subject is people. People. Later on, I will take the first form of the verb. And the first form of the verb is people have, has, enjoys, have fun, enjoy. People enjoy this kind of the conflicts.
बोल दो इसको. Later on.
People enjoy the conflicts.
Later on, I will take.
Later on, I will take the article, and the article is the. Then I will take the object. Okay. Or otherwise, I wanted to take have fun. People have fun or something.
Sarika, what do people do?
Sir, the people enjoy the conflicts. I was mute.
सारिका, लोग क्या करते हैं?
सर, लोग ऐसी बातों का मजा लेते हैं. अपर्णा दी, what do people? क्या? What do people do?
What do people do?
What do people do? People enjoys the others hot talk.
दी, लोग ऐसी बातों में क्या करते हैं? नहीं, लोग क्या करते हैं?
लोग दूसरों की बहस को एंजॉय करते हैं. लोग ऐसी बातों का एंजॉय करते हैं.
मजा लेते हैं.
कन्फ्लिक्ट ही लेना पड़ेगा. पीपल एंजॉय द कन्फ्लिक्ट. लोग ऐसी बातों का मजा लेते हैं. रितु, व्हाट डू पीपल डू?
Well, Aparna, people enjoy the conflicts.
पीपल ऐसी बातों का क्या करते हैं?
लोग ऐसी बातों का मजा लेते
लोग
हैं.
क्या करते हैं?
Sir, what do people do?
They enjoy the conflicts.
सर लोग क्या करते हैं?
वो ऐसी बातों का मजा लेते हैं. And today's last sentence, घर आखिर घर ही होता है.
I have to make that sentence.
Good.
That sentence belongs to present perfect, present simple tense. This is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and subject home. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is home is finally home.
Very nice. अब इसको जल्दी से सारिका तुम प्रॉपरली बना दो. स्वीटी तू सुनना, तुमने चैप्टर सही रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया था.
Okay, sir.
जी. This sentence belongs to B chapter as a uh, present simple tense,
Yes.
and
Be
it
present.
is be present as a present simple tense, and it is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the home. So firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is home. Later on, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is. Thereafter, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is after all. And lastly, I will take the noun. क्या है? Good.
God damn.
God. क्या सर?
God
God.
damn.
Goddamn.
Damn it मिला है ना, damn it.
हाँ,
Damn it.
damn it. हाँ जी, हाँ.
God
Goddamn.
damn.
अच्छा. Goddamn.
Home is
Home.
goddamn home.
अच्छा. Home is goddamn home. And lastly, I will take the noun, and the noun is home. And I will put full stop at the end of the sentence. So sentence is home is goddamn home.
Okay, Aparna, what about home?
Home is a goddamn home.
Next.
Sarika, what about the home?
The home is goddamn home.
When you reached your home, you said this.
हाँ.
this
Home is
is
goddamn home. Ritu Di, what about the home?
Well, Sarika, home is goddamn home. घर आखिर घर ही होता है.
Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye bye.
किया कुछ इसमें